As we enter another active hurricane season, it's a good time to reacquaint ourselves with some key tropical weather terminology you'll be hearing frequently in the months ahead. Let's begin with the term invest, short for investigative area. This refers to a region of disturbed weather that the National Hurricane Center is closely monitoring for potential tropical development. To the right of the term, you'll often see a number, typically ranging from 90 to 99. This is a catalog number used for internal tracking and record keeping. It's important to note that these numbers are reused, so you may see multiple systems labeled as Invest 90L or Invest 92L in the same season, particularly in a very active one. Next, the letter that follows, that number represents the ocean basin. For example, the L denotes the Atlantic basin, while an E would indicate a system is in the Eastern Pacific. Now, an invest is generally the first stage of tropical development. Most of these systems are initially weak and disorganized, but some may show signs of strengthening, especially if multiple forecast models suggest the potential for further development. That could eventually lead to a tropical depression, a tropical storm, or even a hurricane. Once sustained winds in a system reach below 39 miles per hour, it's classified as a tropical depression. If winds increase to 39 miles per hour or higher, it becomes a named tropical storm. Should those winds reach 74 miles per hour or greater, the system is officially classified as a hurricane. With another potentially busy season ahead for the Atlantic Basin, understanding this terminology will help you stay informed as we track those storms through the region. For 13 News Now, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tim Pandajis.